wellness, of course, is very, very, very important in today's life. हिंदी में बात करनी है, इंग्लिश में बात करनी है? Okay. Uh, by seeing everybody's life and so many things which causes stress, of course, natural calamities, pollutions, work-wise, we all require wellness. And I'm so happy that even India has been really very well versed with wellness now, thanks to our Prime Minister, because the way he's put up wellness in so much forefront, uh, which was really required long back. But now I think everybody, even the people from villages, now you can see that today's agenda is to involve children from villages, and it's been great step which has been taken by Rekha Chaudhary. And the great space, in fact, where we are among all the ministers, where so much of awareness is there, and we are doing a big shout for wellness. In fact, I've been following wellness for quite a long time. You must have seen my previous images. Of course, I was little plump, and I've been following all the diets and yoga, which is part of wellness. And I think everybody can follow the small things and make a difference in their lives. Thank you.
क्या कहना चाहोगे आप? अमृता जी हैं, शैलेंद्र जी हैं।
मुझे ये जो वेलनेस इनिशिएटिव के लिए ये लोग जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू देम एंड दिस इनिशिएटिव स्पेशली व्हाट आई एम ड्राइविंग फॉर द विलेज चिल्ड्रन and this guys has been always supporting, especially Smita is always like as a dear friend, she has been always supporting me for this initiative. And of course this proposal what I am putting front of the government for the giving the opportunity for these village children for the wellness at workplace for the government department. I hope today everything gets in the positive note. And on the global wellness day celebration, especially I have organized this event at this place, and I'm seeing the positively everything is going.
You're already in the Mantralaya.
I have to say that Rekha is the only person who started. Of course, people were aware of wellness and Global Wellness Day and all. It was celebrated all over the world, but not in India.
Sure.
But I must give the credit to this lady that she has given so much importance and so much energy and involved so many people to create awareness for the wellness. So really credit goes to Rekha Chaudhary. Of course, involving people who are sitting on the chair is also very important task, and she has done that. So thank you so much.